In this video, we're going to look at some of the string functions that you can use on strings. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I've already created a string, call it sentence. It's really more of a sentence fragment. And the first function we're going to look at is the length function. And the length function will return the number of characters in a string. So you call it just like that. So string functions are called using the dot operator off of the string variable. So it's the string variable dot followed by the name of the function. Oops, we need a space there. Alright, so let's run this program. Oh, we'll count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 30, 31, 32, 35, I think. I may be off by 1 or 2. The function will know, though, exactly how long the string is. Take it a sec to compile. Taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. Here we go. Okay, I was right. The sentence is 35 characters long. So the length function will come in very handy when you need to know the number of characters in a string. So let's move on to the next function. The next function we're going to look at is substring. That substring will tell us some things about the string, about parts of a string. So let's, still working with sentence. Let's just try it here. So substring looks like this. Let me put a little comment in here. So let's see what this returns. Kind of the discovery method of learning about functions. Okay, so starting at position 0, I'm going to slide it down here. Starting at position 0, substring pulled out the first 5 characters. NOW3 space 4 I5. So we could have also picked in the middle. So let's start at position 5 and go 5 characters long. So S space D. So substring is used to pull out literally a substring out of the big string. So let's comment this out. Now we can just do a double slash. And the next function we're going to look at is replace. So let's create a new word here. So I'm going to comment out. I will just leave it there. And I'm going to purposely misspell receive. I before E except after C, right? So what we can say is we can say word equals word replace the IE with an EI. And then we can see out word, and we don't need a new line, to see how it changes. Oops, we made a little mistake right here. Okay, so you don't need, I'll just leave this in. Normally you'd edit this out. I just got confused with other languages. You don't have to reply. Okay, so let's take a look at what's wrong. Actually, let's do it like this. I'm not sure what the problem is here. It should be the old string with the new string. And what we're going to do is we're going to run this again and look and see what the error message is. Okay, so no matching call. Now, I want to teach as much about when things go wrong as when they don't go wrong. So clearly I've messed up someplace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up a window, excuse all this, and let's take a look. It's going to come up here in just a moment. It's always helpful to see how to fix errors and problems that you have. So as you can see, here are all of the possible ways to fix or change something. Okay, so we're using C++ 14. So let's take a look at that. So I'm just checking to see here. Let's scroll down and look at an example. So what I want to do is we want to find where the IE starts and we want to change it there. So here's how we're going to do that. Let's go back to our program. Alright, so we'll learn about another function right here, IE. So here's what we're going to do. We'll leave that like it is. Let's delete what we have. And so we're going to say int okay, so watch. This is kind of almost like programming with an interpreter. So let's see what we get for the position of so find is going to find IE. So it's at position 3. So here's what we're going to do. So now that we know that, we're going to say, let's go back to our example real quick. Okay, so you don't need to reassign it. So let's try it again. Okay, so you see what happened. So, receive, spelled I-E-V-E, is now spelled R-E-C-E-I-V-E. So you see what I did. We first went to find the misspelling. We knew it was IE. That position of IE, where it starts, is stored in the variable POS. So then we say we're going to replace the string starting at POS, these two characters, the first two characters, as starting at that position, with EI. And that's how it works. So that wraps up this video on string functions. Those are not nearly all the string functions. Let's see if I still have those right there. If you look over here to the left of my screen, those are all the string functions that are available to you. So as you can see, I've just barely touched on them, but those are some more commonly used ones, and I would hope that you'll eventually explore some of these on your own. So thanks a lot for watching, and in the next video we're going to talk about the char data type.